Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is about some parts of the body. The transcript of the lesson can be found in description. Zolo Nose. Zolo Nose. Liso Eye. Misu Eyes. Litoyi Ear. Matoyi Ears. Suki Hair. Suki is hair. Monoko Mouth. Lino Tooth. Mino Teeth. The word for heart is motema. Please write down in comments area the word for heart in your native language. In Lingala, the word for heart is motema. What is heart in your native language? You can put the name of the country as well if you like. The language and the name of the country. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.